This is Heather Dubé from Dubé Designs, and welcome back to the Designing for Musicians Challenge. This video is a little bit different than our last one. Our last one we actually did get to design for musician. This time we didn't, okay. But something that I do quite often is design something to wear for a lot of the concerts that I go to. It can be really hard to find like the perfect going to a concert outfit. You look on Pinterest, you look on TikTok, you do your research, but you don't want to wear something that everybody else does, but you want to wear something that everybody else likes. And what do you do if you're a Leo and you love attention and you create something new, frankly. Okay, because I can't be like other girls. Not really a girl, but I can't be like other people. So I had to do something a little bit different, of course. So I love to design for concerts that I go to. I was going to a very big concert this time, one that I've been looking forward to. Someone that I've loved since I was 17 years old. And that would be Hozier. I know, you're all jealous. I'm so sorry. I hate to break the news to you that I'm better than you, but I am, because I got to go, and you didn't. And that's such a bummer, man. So sorry. Sucks to be you. Not to be me, though, because I got to see him. And something else that we might know about me, if you've watched my last few videos, or if you just know me in person, is my deep and intense adoration, I will say, or obsession, one might say, of Good Omens. Pause and applause for the t-shirt. Wow. Isn't she beautiful? I love her. One thing about Good Omens TikTok is they love Hozier and they love editing the saddest videos you will ever see about that show to his music. And it's incredible and I eat it up every time. I have like so many of them in my favorites folders. I am so deep into Good Omens TikTok. It's absolutely insane. But I was like, I want to wear something with my Good Omens shirt, okay? I want to wear something that I can spin in, something that's going to be really fun, but I want to make it because I love Hozier. And a vision came to me. And by a vision, I mean I dug through the fabric that's in my office, kind of like a feral animal, and was throwing things into the air. That's usually what I do. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a twirly-ass skirt because there's nothing more me than a giant twirly-ass maxi skirt and a Good Omens t-shirt. That's the most me thing I've ever heard in my entire life. And I'm going to be comfy and I'm going to be cute and I'm going to be different than everybody else. We're going to jump straight into me making the beautiful skirt that I created, how I made it, the concert and the events that unfold, and I will see you guys back here very soon. This is so awkward. I'm so awkward about YouTube. I've got to figure out a better way to do this, but for now, you're just going to hear word vomit from me about what I'm thinking as soon as I hit record. Like, I don't script these. Probably should. Never will. Anyways, see you soon. I'm gonna be so expeditiously for real with you guys, and I'm editing this and recording this audio while rewatching Loki because the new season is out, so I might sound a little delirious. It's because I am. So yeah, the skirt was very easy to make if you kind of are good at math and rectangles, because basically it's just a bunch of rectangles. So you cut out, depending on your measurements, I did 3 on the top. So 3 different fabrics, 1 of each, and then I just doubled that for the second tier, so then 2 cuts of each fabric, 3 fabrics of course, and then the bottom tier is 3 cuts of each of the 3 fabrics. So it just kind of goes like 3, 6, 9. Anyway, as long as you can deal with the math of that and where everything's gonna lay out, then it's really easy. You just sew for a really long time. You sew all the pieces together into a chain, and then once you have that chain, you sew a basting stitch, and then you use the basting stitch to gather, which is what I was just doing there. And then you sew all the gatherings together. I'm telling you, it's just a bunch of like tubes sewn together. But it makes a very cool end result. This is at about halfway done when I had sewn some of the gathering pieces together. And then me hemming it at the end. Like I said, it's not the hardest skirt to make as long as you know your measurements well and know what size rectangles you should do and how many tiers you want to do. And then it comes out like this. So yeah, I had to do something that I knew would be like kind of whimsical, as well as, you know, just give me a lot of space to work and not be the most complicated thing in the world. So I went with the patchwork skirt. Also, look at my Barbie magazine diving down when I'm trying to make this. Hilarious to me. Like I said, I'm rewatching Loki. I know that is not important to what's going on right now, but it's kind of overtaking my brain again. But so is Still Good Omens and Our Flag Means Death, and I'm so overwhelmed with media, and in particular gay media right now. It's kind of driving me insane. But of course Good Omens is the forefront of my brain. Of course. I brought like the book to Hozier because I'm insane and I thought I was going to read it, but instead I actually made friends in line immediately when I was standing in the rain, which we'll get to that in a second. And I made friends because I went by myself, so then I had no time to read because I was also in the pouring rain with people that I was trying to converse with. So yeah, there's so many clips of me in this skirt because I just loved it. That's me standing in the rain, waiting to get inside the venue. Then we get in the venue. Woo! I rushed so that I could get kind of like a front seat on the lawn. There are chairs in front of the seating area. But I was GA, so of course I was on the lawn. This is our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, otherwise known as Hozier. Love of my life, one of the only men that I will ever love. Incredible guy. I was sobbing at this point. This is Cherry Wine. It was such a beautiful, like, acoustic setup of a song, such a heartbreaking, heart-wrenching song to listen to, so personal to me and my personal experiences, and then also just like what a beautiful setup. Like oh my god, I love that man so much. Like I don't have enough words. Really silly of me that I thought to even bring a book at all, as if I was going to touch a book and not just be sitting the entire time on the edge of my seat, put with my hands in the astroturf, clawing into the depths of the core of our planet, chewing drywall, barking at the iron bars of my enclosure, Brittany Broski style, for this man, because I don't even like men, but he confuses me. Look at his beautiful, luscious hair and his incredible voice. Like, I don't know what you expect from me. I am only a person. So, that to say, I had a really great time. Wow. So yeah, that concert was honestly life-changing. Loved it so much. Very, very grateful to have been able to go. Cost a lot of money. Was worth every penny. Did get rained on. Don't even care. And I loved the outfit and the experience so much that I wore the outfit the next day to work. It's tomorrow. I'm wearing the shirt. I was wearing the skirt. I went to work. I went to a bar with my friends in the skirt, in the full fit. I posted the Instagram photos that were proof that I wore it the day before. And I was still out. I don't care. Because, first of all, I'm reliving the experience by wearing these clothes again. Okay? Second of all, they were comfortable and adorable, and I got compliments on it. And then every time somebody complimented my skirt at work, I got to be like, I made it. Which is one of my favorite things to do. It's incredible. Thanks for watching my Designing for Musicians series. I'm going to keep doing this. Hopefully, I'll get to design for another, like, local musician here in Nashville. That's kind of the goal. I go to a lot of, like, smaller live shows and try and make connections through there. I have a few friends that I'd love to design for and make it into the series as well. But even if I don't, I decided this is going to live on because I design for concerts all the time. And I might as well film it so you guys can watch me do it, because that way I'm not doing it alone. And I think I'm entertaining, so be entertained. Anyways, a lot of things coming up in October. I have a lot of Halloween videos planned. I'm designing a few of my different costumes. They're going to be coming out quite frequently. We still should have another Barbie series this month. I'm going to do my best. There's going to be a lot of sewing until my fingers bleed kind of situation, but I'm okay with that. So we're going to do our very best to make everything happen. Don't know if we'll accomplish it, but we're damn sure gonna try. Stay tuned throughout October. I'm just gonna kind of be dropping videos as soon as I'm able to. I'm hoping to get one out every single week. And then our Barbie series is, of course, coming on October 26th. We're getting towards the end of it. We've only got a few more videos until the big show. So tell all of your friends to join in and watch the past videos. That way we can get some more traction on it, get some more viewers before we get to the big show. I really want the show to have like a large audience. It's really important to me. So yeah, if you have any friends that you think would be interested in me designing clothes inside of a 2004 video game, tell them to watch my shit and tell them to come to my show. So thanks so much for watching my chaos. I will see you guys incredibly soon with some Halloween themed content. Love ya.